What's up everyone, it's Fun Rap Guy here once again. So, I'm doing a server review, I mean, not server review, but food review, my bad. And I haven't done a food review in quite a while. This might be my first food review of 2017, not sure, but I just know I haven't done one in quite a while, but I'm doing combos. Pizzeria pretzel. So combos, it's basically like rolled pretzels, and this is pizza cheese pizzeria flavored. So this looks really good. It says crunchy oven baked pretzels with spicy cheese pizza flavored fillings create the perfect hunger management snack. 2 hearty tastes, 1 filling snack. Enjoy a delicious taste of combos baked snacks. And this is an official partner of NASCAR. Distributed by Mars Chocolate Company, Hackettstown, New Jersey. So, I've had combos before, but never this one. I've had like a buffalo ranch flavor or something. Oh, these look pretty good. It definitely smells like kind of spicy cheese. So here's what they look like. It's just, you know, rolled pretzels with the cheese in it. So it looks really good, so let's try it out. Pretty good. Yeah, it's really good. Now I know it says spicy cheese, but it's really not spicy at all. Definitely kind of tastes like a cheese pizza, kind of. But I do like it, it's quite good, so I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. There's a little bit of cheese inside of it. And it's nice and salty like pretzels are. So yeah, so it's all 8 out of 10. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and till next time.